What's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, doing another quick video on this Toyota Tundra. Just got fresh out of inspection, mechanic shop, and detail. If you haven't subscribed, in the bottom right corner, click the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notifications. Click that little thing that looks like a bell that will allow you to get access to these videos when we first post them. So this is the 16 Toyota Tundra. We sell a ton of these trucks out of state. So if you're an out of state guy, I know it's hard to spend money not knowing what the truck looks like in person. I've shipped probably at least 50 to 60 trucks nationwide within the past 3 years. So we do this all the time. So if you're one of these guys that are out of state, this video should give you a better idea of how nice the Tundra is in person. These videos are shot in 1080 HD. The paint is immaculate. I wish it was a little sunny today so I could actually show you what the paint looks like in the sunlight, because it's freaking cool. Anyway, there's a frame. It's a local one-owner Virginia truck. Zero rust on the body, zero rust on the undercarriage. The exterior is almost perfect. There may be a small rock chip here or there. This truck was lifted on an 8-inch BDS kit. As you can see, the chrome is still in really good shape. It's currently running 35 Nitto Ridge grapplers, 18-inch feel wheels. The truck drives just like a factory one. It drives nice as can be. And again, you look down the body lines, it's all original factory paint. Never had any paint work. Interior of the truck is immaculate as well. Carpet's still in really good shape. It has the factory floor mats that you can see right now. It also has a set of WeatherTechs for the front and back in black. Headliner, no stains, no issues. Tires have tons of tread. Fox shocks. Spray-in bed liner as well from, I believe, Leonard. Factory TRD truck. And again, you look down the body lines of the passenger side, just a beautiful truck. This is the passenger side. You can see interior. The seats are still immaculate. This truck has just over 56,000 original miles. Again, a nice local one-owner truck. Dash is free of any cracks or issues. Again, headliner, passenger side, super clean. You can see the door jams. Absolutely perfect. Upgraded Weston step rails. So again, this is a 2016 Toyota Tundra, 56,000 miles. It's got the big 5.7 V8 I-Force. Mechanically very, very nice. Truck runs straight and true, even at 80, 90 miles on the highway. I've test drove it myself. A very nice truck. I don't expect this one to last long. All my Tundra guys out there, we sell a lot of these. We do sell a decent amount of these out of state as well. So again, if you're out of state, this video should give you a real good idea how nice this truck really is. We're very descriptive in our descriptions, and we try to point out any damage in the video. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to point out anything in this truck. So you're going to get exactly what you see. Zero damage, zero accidents, a very gorgeous truck inside and out. For more information, you can call us direct, 540-898-1300. Go to our website, www.dlux-motorsports.com. You can also follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram's DLUX_motorsports. Again, if you haven't followed us and subscribed to our videos yet, in the bottom right corner, just click the subscribe button, and it'll give you notifications when we post more trucks like this for sale. Again, any questions, give us a shout. Till next time.